Chef Pachi. Listen to it. Crispy and delicious. And in the panini grill. The complete recipe follows. With 4 ingredients only.
Arepas are something that my children love. So I make them, freeze them, and pack them in small portions so that I can defrost them. I also add hamburger dividers between them so that they're easier to take out. Our Colombian arepas with and without cheese can be frozen always. It is super simple to make it. Look, they don't stick. And you have beautiful arepa that you're going to see later cooked. These ones have cheese inside. These ones have cheese inside, and look at all of them, because when they come, they only want to eat Colombian cooking, home food, and I have tons of these made for them. I actually serve them here. Once they are cooked, I serve them in this piece of wood that is made by a company in Medellin, which I'll later tell you who it is, who recycles wood. And it's beautiful because they recycle all of the pieces of wood at the ends where people can't use them. And they look beautiful for serving our arepas from Colombia. Any kind of arepa, with cheese, without cheese, sweet ones that have aniseed, and all of them that you want.
Now we're gonna do both amazing types of arepas. With white Mexican cheese, we can just process it fine. Look at it, it's just completely granular. Now with mozzarella cheese, we can't do that because otherwise we'll just have a blob of mozzarella. So we cut the mozzarella in small dice, add it to the food processor, and just process in 4 or 5 seconds at a time. You see the difference? The mozzarella pieces are larger. We can't completely blend it unless it's almost frozen. I'm adding exactly the same recipe with different kinds of masa corn flour. Same ingredients, very hot water, butter or ghee, and salt. We mix with a fork until all of that water is absorbed and it is hot. We want it to hydrate the dry masa flour. We cover them for about 5 minutes, and then we can put our hands inside and mix them to create a well in the center of the masa. You might think it's a little dry, but do not worry. If you want to add a little more water or liquid or milk or butter, it's fine. But first, add the cheese. The cheese has some moisture in it, and it's gonna make it softer. Once we've mixed the cheese in all of the masa, it's created a dough. It ends up not sticking to your hands. All of that cheese is everywhere, so every single arepa will have cheese inside. Place it onto your counter and roll the dough so you can cut it into similar sizes. This trick that I do right now is one that I do with my roller cookies, my refrigerator cookies. I roll it to the end to make sure that there is no air bubbles inside of my roll. I can wrap it and refrigerate it, divided the log into 4, then into 3. Make balls with each one of those pieces, then put them on your panini grill or bake them exactly at the moment when you're gonna serve them. Take each one of these pieces and place it between 2 pieces of parchment paper or plastic just to flatten them. About 1/3 of an inch, but it actually doesn't matter. We're gonna put them on a panini grill or bake them, and if you want them really thin or not. 3 minutes later, look at these beautiful arepas. Delicious. Just right out of the panini grill or the oven. With our mozzarella arepas, we're gonna make them a little thicker. We want that mozzarella to come out from the inside and you wanna feel it in every bite. Cook them on both sides on medium heat. They are so good, these arepas, with that melted mozzarella cheese inside. Chef Pachi!